guys, welcome back to Cheese Kitchen channel, and today I'm going to make Rava Vada. Rava Vada is actually an instant vada that you can make. You don't have to soak anything, wait for anything, you don't have to grind anything. Just pack all the ingredients, mix it, fry it. So easy. Now let's see how to make Rava Vada. So I'm going to combine all the ingredients. So first I have a cup of rava. This is roasted rava. Then ginger, green chilies, finely chopped onion, jeera, sesame seeds, asafoetida, about half a cup curd, and then a pinch of baking soda, salt. So I'm gonna mix everything together. So I added about 3/4 cup curd. Now finally coriander leaves. I'm gonna mix in my hands, using my hands now, so I can give some volume to the batter. Just like beating it and mixing it. Rava idli batter is ready, so I'm going to keep this for about 15 minutes and then we can start making the vada. Make sure the oil is hot while you're doing this. So first I'm going to wet my hand, then I'm going to make a small ball. Next I'm going to wet my thumb and create a hole like this and put it in the oil. Like that. So I'm going to fry it till it turns golden brown, and basically this is done. So easy. So yeah guys, finished Rava Vada. It's done, so I'm going to have a taste of it. And I have some tomato tokku or tomato chutney here. Just a spicy combination. That's so good. Seriously, good combination. This is so different from the usual vada. Very tasty. Crispy on the outer, soft on the inner. Very yummy. Such an easy vada. And I also have a recipe for this. I'll put it in the I button in the video itself. So I'm having some friends over. I'm gonna have this for some tea. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.